Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we'll ask some of our colleagues that what their 2024 goal is. Who wants to travel, who wants to burn those extra calories, or simply wants to make more money. Come, let's find out some interesting facts about them.
So my goal is to get back in shape and become a better version of myself.
So my goal is to build a better budget this year as I have want to save more money.
Reduce my phone screen time and finish reading at least 4 fiction novels.
I want to run a full marathon this year.
Hello everyone, my goal for 2024 is to keep working hard and playing more and more badminton.
This year, I want to spend less on shopping.
Hi, my goal for 2024 is to invest more on skills.
My goal for the year is to get into a good MBA college and to be more physically fit.
Hi, I want to explore beach destinations in 2024.
I want to work hard and earn money so that I can travel to my dream destinations.
I want to focus on my physical health and grow professionally.
I want to cover the remaining places of Himachal Pradesh and also earn a lot of money.
Hi, my this year goal is to grow professionally in logistics sector and to explore more cities in India and abroad.
My goal for this year is to ensure seamless and positive experience throughout the entire logistic process and enhance customer satisfaction.